Ever wondered how a tiny hummingbird finds its way from Alaska to Mexico without a map? Imagine those wings fluttering thousands of miles, or picture a monarch butterfly fluttering from Canada to the warm forests of Mexico. Consider the Arctic tern, embarking on the longest migration in the animal kingdom, from Arctic to Antarctic. These are just glimpses into the incredible world of animal migration, a journey of resilience and instinct. The question then is, how do these creatures navigate so accurately without the aid of modern technology? To understand this, we first need to delve into what animal migration truly is. Simply put, it's the regular large-scale movement of animal groups from one location to another. This grand journey is a survival strategy, an adaptation to changing environments and resource availability. Now, animal migration comes in different flavors. There's seasonal migration, where animals move to warmer climates during the colder months and vice versa. For instance, the iconic image of Canada geese flying in a V formation as they head south for the winter. Then there's reproductive migration, where creatures travel to specific habitats to mate and raise their offspring. The epic journey of salmon swimming upstream to their spawning grounds is a classic example. But it's not just birds and fish that migrate. The animal kingdom is full of incredible migratory journeys. Consider the monarch butterfly, which travels up to 3,000 miles from Canada to Mexico to escape the winter, or the wildebeest of the African savanna embarking on an annual round trip of over 1,000 miles in search of fresh grazing. What triggers these vast movements? A blend of environmental cues and biological rhythms. Changes in daylight, temperature, and food availability can spark the start of a migration. For many animals, migration is also tied to their reproduction cycle. The need to find the best conditions for raising their young can prompt animals to undertake these perilous journeys. Yet migration isn't just about survival. It's also about maintaining the balance of ecosystems. Migrating animals can affect the distribution of other species, influence the gene flow, and even shape the physical landscape. For example, when wolves were reintroduced to Yellowstone National Park and resumed their migratory patterns, they helped control the elk population, which led to a resurgence of vegetation. So, migration is a fascinating, complex phenomenon, deeply ingrained into the fabric of life on Earth. It's a testament to the resilience and adaptability of animals, their ability to survive and thrive in the face of constant change. But it leaves us with a burning question. Migration is a survival strategy, but how do animals know where to go? This is where the real mystery begins, the art of navigation. Think about it. The animal kingdom is full of expert navigators. They cross vast oceans, traverse dense forests, and scale towering mountains with such precision it leaves us humans in awe. Let's start with the sun. Many animals, such as honeybees and birds, use the sun as a compass. They're able to judge the time of day based on the sun's position and use that to determine their direction. Quite a handy skill, wouldn't you say? But what about when the sun sets? Well, that's when the stars come into play. Certain species of birds and seals, for example, are known to navigate by the stars. They use the constellations and the moon's position to guide their way. It's like they have their very own celestial map with the night sky as their guide. Then there's the Earth's magnetic field. Quite a few creatures like sea turtles and salmon are believed to tap into this invisible force. They can sense the magnetic fields and use them like a GPS, guiding them across thousands of miles of open ocean and back to the very beach where they hatched. Now that's a homecoming. Landmarks and memory also play a crucial role in animal navigation. Elephants, for instance, are known for their exceptional memory. They remember specific landmarks and use them to navigate their way to water sources and feeding grounds. It's like they have a mental map of their terrain, and they update it continuously throughout their lives. But the real marvel is the built-in biological compasses that some animals possess. Monarch butterflies, for instance, have a light-sensitive compass in their antennae. They use this compass to orient themselves and make their incredible journey from Canada to Mexico. While we have some understanding of these methods, there are still many unanswered questions. How do these animals develop these skills? How accurate are these methods? And most importantly, what can we learn from them? As we continue to unravel the mystery of animal navigation, we delve deeper into the wonders of the natural world. One intriguing method of animal navigation is the use of Earth's magnetic field. This is where the fascinating concept of magnetoreception comes into play. It's a sense that allows certain migratory animals to detect magnetic fields, thereby aiding in their navigation. Consider it for a moment. It's akin to having a built-in compass, guiding you on your journey, no matter how far or treacherous it may be. Picture the vast expanse of the ocean, with no landmarks to guide you, or the endless sky devoid of roads or signs. Yet, these creatures find their way year after year with astonishing precision. Let's delve deeper into this remarkable phenomenon. Birds, for instance, are believed to use this magnetic sense to navigate during their extensive migratory journeys. They sense the Earth's magnetic field and align their travel accordingly, just as we might use a compass or a map. And it's not just birds. Sea turtles, too, renowned for their epic oceanic voyages, are thought to employ this sense. They traverse thousands of miles of open ocean only to return to the very beach where they were born. Even certain insects like bees and butterflies are believed to possess this sense. They use it to navigate to food sources and breeding grounds, often covering considerable distances. Just imagine having an inbuilt GPS at your disposal. So, what have we learned about the mystery of animal migration? We've journeyed through the fascinating world of animal migration, understanding that it's an instinctive, seasonal movement, often driven by the need for food, better climate, or breeding grounds. We've also discovered that animals have developed unique, sophisticated methods to navigate their way across vast distances. From the sun, the stars, and the Earth's magnetic field, to landmarks and even smells, these navigational aids are as diverse as the animals themselves. We've delved into the enigma of magnetoreception, a sense that allows creatures like birds, turtles, and bees to sense the Earth's magnetic field and use it as a compass. This incredible ability, although not fully understood, is a testament to the wonders of nature and evolution. While we may not have all the answers, the study of animal migration continues to be a field of great intrigue and discovery.